Here we are in the Excellence Club Rooftop Terrace Suite in Building 1. As you walk in the door, you've got the bathroom to the right. Nice sink. Lovely things underneath. Slippers, hairdryer, towels. You've got your water closet, shower. Very nice. Then you have this wonderful walk-in closet. Plenty of storage space with a safe. Lots of lighting options around the bed. In the Excellence Club rooms, they do come stocked with full-size liquor bottles that are yours to partake. We also have your mini fridge that comes stocked with all kinds of goodies. As well as extra storage. Then over here, you've got your, looks like an espresso machine, ice bucket, some more snacks. Swivel back around, try not to make you sick here. We did have some champagne, some fruit and chocolate cake left out for us here. We've stayed with Excellence a few times, so we have a few perks there. A little bag, looks like some sort of Excellence collection rewards. And then we'll check out this balcony and view. Beautiful. Nice day bed. There's this little tub here that you can access from the inside. You can kind of see your neighbors over here. You got folks down below. Neighbors over here. Beautiful resort. This is like a little enclave back in here. Kind of a weird spot, but showing it to you anyway. Then directly to the right is where you can access that tub area that I was showing you from the other angle. And there's also the stairs that take you on up to this. Nice seating area here. Shower, rinse off. Little day bed that looks like it's adjustable so it can lay down. Your own private pool. And those incredible views.